brake repair job. 1970 Volkswagen van. U-clip removal. All right, let's click on that and see what kind of commentary we can come up with here. All right. Yikes. Stop it. So, stop. Good heavens. Stop. There we go. This is a U-clip. We've loosened up that, I believe, but haven't removed it, obviously. And now this clip is going to come out. There's a little tab here, and the clip kind of ends right there. Right? And then, of course, on the other side, you can't see because this is blocking that other side, but it's shaped like the letter U. This side over here is just like this side here. A little tough to see right there. And it looks like I just put a screwdriver in there. Let's see what happens. Let's start this over again. Okay, let me go back to here. Oh, hold on, let's go all the way back. Ah, there we go, see? A screwdriver being wedged in there. There you go. That's why you have a few screwdrivers. Ah, there, see it move? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Now, you might want to put 2 screwdrivers in there. Might take 2. 2 might be what's required. Ah, there's some pliers. If that doesn't work, you can put one flathead screwdriver there and then another flathead right next to it. So you're kind of moving these flat surface areas. This flat surface area, that's right, this surface area you're moving this way, and this area to which you were prying up against this way. You're moving them closer so then you can get it in there and wedge some more. It looks like that's not needed. Now then, I will point out, see which way the tab is pointed? Right, the tab is coming away from under the vehicle, and this curve is convex. So you're looking at it from the outside of the vehicle, convex, not concave. Right, there's a gap in there. So if you were looking at it and it went in, that would be a concave, right? But it is seated convexly, right? It is seated convexly. It is seated with a curve. Were you to look inside, and it does not indent, it outdents, if that's a term. Got it? When it goes back on, you want to make sure that it goes back on correctly. So this lip is coming up towards the outside of the vehicle. Right? See the curve? Comes out towards the outside of the vehicle. Wiggling it. There. See it? The tab is up. You gotta remember these things. And this is a great reason to take pictures when you are taking apart your vehicle. Take some pictures and take some video. See what happens next here. I guess that's it. All right, next video.